so lucky to have found you in this lifetime. Nagkatagpo ang isang ma-attitude at isang sobrang matampuhin. Isang gusto lahat planned at isang crummy. Tsaka sa times na kunwari mahina man ako, siya yung magbibigay ng strength sa akin para lumaban. Or kapag mahina man ako, minsan hinayaan niya lang ako maging mahina, tapos siya yung magiging malakas para sa akin.
I promise that I will always be with you. I will be your loving shoulder. I will protect you, fight for you, take care of you, pray for you, and pray with you.
Gracia, do you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Gabriel, do you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
He saw how easily words could slice through me, leaving marks that linger far longer than anyone realizes. Maybe he saw how one wrong look or careless word could make me feel small, like I was shrinking away from the world and the person I want to be. So he sent you to me.
Best friend, my inspiration, the love of my life. We both share complexities in our lives. Challenges that we had no choice but to face. However, saying that is not to mourn on our hardship, but to celebrate how strong we have been. As you already knew, we met on my lowest point, and I couldn't know what I am now if I can still smile or wake up with a clear mind if not because of you.
Nagkakilala kami sa Bumble, and then after viewing a few weeks, we found that we had a common friend. My friend in high school and her friend in college.
For the rest of our lives.
Parang pag naisip ko yung na dumating siya sa life ko, parang wala, sobrang lang lahat kasi parang sobrang biglaan, tapos ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, pero parang lahat, sobrang meaningful lang. Ganyan.
For the rest of our lives. Someday I'll make a home with you. It may be big, it may be small. We'll make a space for all the kids can run around and safely fall. But if the dreams don't happen right away, that's okay. I just wanna be with you every single day for the rest of our lives.
We will raise a loving and God-fearing family. We will reach our dreams together. We will be happy together. I love you now, always and forever. I will always be by your side. I will always pray for you and with you. Love you so much.
We've had our share of sorrows, and baby keeps us up at night. Sometimes I wish we'd stand down instead of putting up a fight. But still I wanna be with you every single day, till the day that we die. Someday I'll take you around the world and visit places where you stayed. I'll play some shows on radios, you sit close, I'll sing your name. But if the dreams don't happen right away, that's okay. I just wanna be with you every single day, for the rest of our lives. I'm gonna work on my tempo while you learn to speak your mind some more. I'll be more of a shelter and less of a storm, while we both are working on ourselves in our own ways. I just wanna be with you.
You are my Google Map, my navigator, my safe harbor. Thank you for being the greatest adventure of my life. And I can't wait to share more adventures with you in the years to come. I love you greater than the universe, and I just want to be with you every single day for the rest of our lives.
Till the day